sila sa Hong Kong sa A1 League. Na-knockout na sa ESL. Pag na-knockout pa dito, mga mahabang bakasyon sila.
They just want to keep.
Kobe Lamb takes flight. Huli! Ni JP! Then si Chan ang bantay niya. Tumutulong si Lamb. Oftana spinning away from Blankley. No! It looks like Oftana got hit in the eye.
Oh, kailangan mag-take advantage dito ang Eastern. A foul will be called.
Also a hit on the thigh. Ooh, that was a shoulder to the left eye. Ronde pushing hard. Oh! Bastos Jones! Galit na galit! Solid na solid!